Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to create Hotmail account. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for outlook.com. Now click on create free account. Now here we can see outlook.com, so let's tap on this, and here's hotmail.com, so let's tap here. Now enter your new email and click on next. Now create new password and click on next. Enter your name and click on next. Choose your details, your country name, date of birth, and click on next. So click on next. So complete the verification. So now we are in Hotmail interface. So this is how we can create Hotmail account. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.